Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine and doing your homework regularly. Let's continue with exercise 2.2 linear equation in one variable. Question number 8. Three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find 3 find these numbers. Okay students, question is three consecutive integers. And what is consecutive numbers? Numbers which comes after the given numbers or successive number. Okay, number which comes after the given number. So three consecutive integers. Let three number are. First number is x. Other consecutive number is x plus 1. And next consecutive number is x plus 2. So students, three numbers are x, x plus 1, x plus 2. Stop. Okay students, let three numbers are x, x plus 1, x plus 2. ATQ according to question, x is multiplied by 2, 2 into x plus x plus 1 multiplied by 3, and x plus 2 multiplied by 4. Add up to 74. Okay students, these three numbers multiply by, first multiply by 2, second multiply by 3 and third multiply by 4. Their sum is 74. Okay, 2 into x, 2x, 3 multiply x, 3x, 3 multiply 1, 3, 4 multiply x, 4x, 4 multiply 2, 8 equal to 74. Now 2x plus 3x plus 4x. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9x. Plus 3 plus 8, 11 equal to 74. Now the rule of solving the linear equation in one variable is, here 11 in addition with variable, so subtract both side, minus 11, here plus 11, so subtract both side, minus 11. 9x plus 11 minus 11, 74 minus 11. Cancel out plus minus. 9x equal to, subtract this, 63. Okay students, here 9 in multiplication with variable, so divide both term by 9. 9x equal to 63 divided by 9. You will get x equal to 7. So required numbers are required numbers are, one is x equal to 7, other is x plus 1, 7 plus 1 is 8, and other is x plus 2, x is 7 plus 2, 7 plus 2 is 9. So our three consecutive required number are 7, 8, 9. Answer. The answer is 7, 8, 9. Okay, student. Next question. Question number 12. 15 years from now, Ravi age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi present age? Okay, students. Present is your present age. Suppose that your present age is 14 years. So plus 15, it become 29. Right, students? So let present age of Ravi is x. Let present age of Ravi is x. So after 15 years, his age will be how much? X plus 15. If present age is x, then after 15 years, his age x plus 15. Okay, students? So according to question, his present age 4 times his present age means x plus 15 equal to 4 multiply x. 4 times his present age. It become x plus 15 and 4x. Okay, students? Transposing x, 4x come here, x minus 4x equal to 15 moves there, minus 15. X minus 4x is 1x minus 4x minus 3x equal to minus 15. So divide, because 3 is in multiplication with variable, so divide both side by minus 3. Okay, students, divide both side by minus 3. Minus 3x upon minus 15. Divide it by minus 3 by minus 3. So 3 cancel, or 3 5 ja 15. X equal to 5. So his present age is 5 here. So present age is 5 Yes. Okay, students. Next question number 14. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denomination 100, 50 and 10 respectively. The ratio of the numbers of these notes is 2 ratio 3 ratio 5. The total cash with Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakhs. How many notes of each denomination does she have? Means Lakshmi have 100 rupees note, 50 rupees note and 10 rupees note only. And the sum of all the notes in amount is 4 lakhs. And note of each denomination means 100 rupees note is 2x, 50 rupees note is 3x and 10 rupees note is 5x. Okay students, so solution is let 100 notes is 2x. Rupees 50 notes 3x and rupees 10 notes is 5x. 100 rupees note 2x, 50 rupees note 3x and 10 rupees note 5x. Okay students, so according to question 2x into 100 plus 3x into 50 plus 5x into 10 equal to 4 lakh. Four lakh. 100 rupees note into 100 rupees into notes, 50 rupees into notes, 10 rupees into notes. Their sum will be 4 lakh. It become 200x. 3 into 50, 150x. 5 into 10, 50x equal 4 lakhs. 200, 150, 50. It become 400. 400x. 150 plus 50, 200 plus 200, 400 equal to 4 lakh. So 400 is in multiplication with variable. So divide each term by 400. Divided by 400 and divide by 400. So students, 400 cancel and it will, so that you will get x equal to 1 1000. 400, 4 lakhs divided by 400, it's 1000. So x equal to 1000. Okay students, now rupees 100 notes equal 2x, 2 into 1000 equal 2000. Rupees 50 notes equal 3x, 3 into 1000, 3000. Rupees 10 notes equal to 5x, 5 into 1000, 5000. This is the required answer. 100 rupees note 2000, 50 rupees note 3000, 10 rupees note